Welcome to our guide on how to create a new account on LinkedIn, the world's largest professional network. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to set up your profile and start connecting with professionals in your industry. To begin, go to the LinkedIn website or open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it for free from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, click on the Join Now button. Information to create your account, such as your name, email address, and a password. After you've signed up, LinkedIn will guide you through the process of completing your profile. This includes adding a professional photo, writing a compelling headline, and filling out your work experience and education. Start connecting with other professionals. You can search for people you know by entering their name or email address, or you can explore LinkedIn's to get started. Log in to your LinkedIn. LinkedIn, helping to showcase your skills and expertise to a wider audience. Keep using Skill Genie tags in your posts to increase visibility and engagement on the platform.